Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 23rd, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. So let's start with the VIX. So VIX is down 0.94. That's 4.42%. Closed at 20.35. So we are just dropping. This is absolutely special, but we need to accept what is going to happen. You know, we don't need to predict. We just need to accept what is going to happen and play with it. So next stop for VIX is 1906. So maybe we are going to get there before Christmas. Who knows? Let's look at the Dow Jones. So Dow Jones was happy with this also and is continuing up. Look at stochastic on Dow Jones, 90 plus. So, you know, very, well, a lot of strength in that, in that index. The higher the stochastic, the better the move is going to be. So, here, you see here, we were at 96 and 99 and things like that. And look at how it moved. It moved. And when we started to lose stochastic below 60, then it just started to drop. And then look at that, stochastic over 60 came back again around here, and look at what happened. So, this is almost too easy. You could only trade on stochastic over 60 and, you would be doing okay. You are going to increase your profits by looking at the overall trend. If it's a downtrend, then you need to be a little bit more careful buying long on a downtrend. You need to be a little bit careful, but when you go short on a downtrend, then you enjoy a very good ride. So you see stochastic 60, you can look at it on any stock, any index, you will see that how good this is. And I'm not sponsored by stochastic over 60. Let's look at S&P 500. So the same thing, S&P 500 is also happy with what's been happening with the VIX. In fact, the VIX is reflecting what's happening on S&P 500. Basically, this is how it works, but we tend to treat it as if the VIX is the leader. But the VIX is only a calculation on the options on S&P 500. Anyway, so look at this stochastic at 98. So nice impulse right here. Everything is good. Everything is good, and we still have a little bit of space before we are reaching this downward resistance. And let's look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100, well, we just broke our downward resistance right here. So this is the first day of the break, but still it is a break. So it's nice to see that Nasdaq is also thinking about moving along. So Nasdaq is having a little bit of a problem. Look at the congestion zone with Nasdaq. Nasdaq is going sideways, And if we look at Dow Jones, this is pretty clear. Boom, like this, S&P 500, this is pretty clear. So Nasdaq has been a laggard, because tech companies tend to get a little bit more affected by inflation and interest rates. So this is what has been happening. But now seeing this here, so maybe things are going to recover also for the tech companies, which many of them are listed on Nasdaq. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.